Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to overcome the keyboard that start to slow down on Samsung Galaxy A56. Alright guys, so yeah, if your keyboard starts to slow down and is difficult to type, don't need to be worried because you can reset the keyboard settings so that all the problems with your keyboard can be erased and your keyboard returns to normal. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, first, now you can show your own keyboard like this. And then to reset the settings, now you can click on the settings icon. And then now you can turn off the predictive text, and then the second step, you can reset to default settings to overcome the keyboard that start to slow down. And so yeah, here's your keyboard returns to normal mode. Okay guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.